Hi everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, on behalf of Lily and I. Lily is back here today. She's modeling a red headwear for us today. While obviously I'll be doing the gold. We swapped places this time around, Lily. She did gold the last time, and I done the what was the other color? I done the dark gray and the silver. She's doing red today, and I'm doing the gold today. All right, so we swap places there. All right. So yeah, for those of you who feel like oh, it's too much for me. There's so much design at the top. It's over the top for me, and I just want something a bit simple, We've got these designs, okay? For those of you who just want something simple, can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, something simple, and obviously you've got the lovely I think there's a kind of rose trimming there, and of course the net. So it's just simple. This is for people who just want it looking simple. Taking off your head cap. Oh, Lily, sorry about that. I've taken off your head cap. All right, so let's do this again. This is the purple. Okay, this is purple. All right. So we've got this in different colors actually. We've got it in peach, in blue, in white, in black, in gray, just name it. This comes in different colors. For those of you who just want something simple and just something simple, basically, you can see we've got this in so many different colors. Okay, just DM me, tell me what color you want, and I think I'll leave this on you for now. So let's leave that on you, Lily, okay? Now stand by, Lily. Ooh, you look nice. Stand by, Lily, okay? So this is the one I'm going to be modeling today for my ladies. Hope my top is not... okay. I thought my buttons were opened, All right, okay. So this basically, that's how this looks, all right? And that's the front bit. It's got a lovely bow detailing there with some lovely stones, and it's got the feather bit there. All right, okay. So easy peasy. Wear it like a hat. What makes me, I just love this headwear is the way once you just put it on, it just transforms. It gives a kind of glow. It just changes your face, changes, like, it's just beautiful, So I'm gonna just try and get on with this. I like to do this whenever I'm chilling at home. I love it because it just gives me that extra bit of time to, like, chat with you guys as well. So I love to do this whenever I'm chilling at home. Trust me, when my hands are full, there's no way I can do this when my hands are full. Yeah, so that's it, ladies. You see, wear it like a cap. Do that tie at the back, which I've done now, okay? And there it is. You're good to go. That's all there is for this one. So this is how this one looks. All right. Yeah. If you want to bring it a bit. See, I'm pushing it now because I want the bow detailing to come a bit to the front. So I've brought it up. I've kind of pushed it this way now. Pushed it this way. All right. So it's your call. Just do what suits you. Do what you want. So yeah, I did say I was coming to show you another one. So this one. If you love this one or any of the ones that I have been showing you on all our social media pages, we've got very limited pieces because we actually make them. We sit down and make them. So it's not a day's job, trust me. It's not a day's job. We actually sit down and make them, and try to, as you see, it's not rubbish. We put in the work, in the detailing and everything. So We've got limited pieces. If you are interested, DM me and it will be on the way to you. That is if it's still in stock. Trust me, if it's still in stock. All right. So yeah, that's this for this. This you can wear on even a Western if you want to go Western. Okay. Not necessarily traditional. If you want to go Western, you can put this on, okay, for a wedding, a church service, a family gathering, just name it, whatever, you know. It's perfect, you know. And my ladies, you know, gold will go with practically anything, you know. It's beautiful. I did that in less than, like I said, less than, I think this one was even less than a minute, you know. You just put it on and tie it, you know, less than a minute. So that's it. All right. Yeah. Come on, let's smile for them now. Because we're signing off now. All right. I'll do more videos when I have more time, you know, showing our headwears in real time. But for now, we've got to go. Say bye, Lily. All right. I love you. Ladies, I love you. You know what to do if you want any of our lovely designs. You know what to do, ladies. Just DM me.